took that game and ran with it. Rinse and repeat it. We gon' be rich. Let's hit 100. We gon' be rich. Let's hit 100. Switch 0 to 120. Turn up my crown, I'm going 0 to 120. Turn up my crown, I'm going 0 to 120. Turn up my crown, I'm going 0 to 120. 0 to 120. Turn up my crown, I'm going 0 to 120. Turn up my crown, I'm going 0 to 120. Turn up my crown, I'm going 0 to 120. 0 to 120.
Good morning. What is it, Thursday? Look, man, I know we're not trading today, but I want to talk about something and be really transparent with y'all, all right? So we're going to have a lot of fun today, but what I want to do is actually show you guys, like I say, just full transparency, because what you guys are looking at behind me is a prop firm. As you guys can see, it's called UProfitZero, and we're going to talk about this company, and we're going to talk about another company, and we're going to talk about how I personally have been affected last year in a major way by what these companies did wrong to me. So I'm putting them on blast today, and we're going to talk about it, and I'm doing this for multiple reasons, not just for myself, but for you guys to also look out for when you decide to call a certain prop firm your home, right? Investing money with these prop firms and trying to pass an account. Once you pass the account, you get the payout. They don't want to pay. You know, it's just a lot of different things that you guys need to look out for. So I want to be the person that you learn from, all right? So what I mean by that is I'm going to break this all down to you guys real quick. So I'm going to go to this very first email, and we're going to do it like that, right? So this was back in November 27, as you guys can see, November 27 of last year, right? And like I said, I purchased accounts with this company, this prop firm. It's a futures prop firm at that, called UProfitZero. ProfitZero. That's the name of it, right? So as you guys can see here in the email, your boy got all the way. I'm gonna actually just take you guys step by step, actually. So we're gonna come back to this one, but I want to show you guys this real quick. So let's go start here. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see where we want to start. Okay. I guess I could just start here. I guess. No, I don't want to show that. All right. So I'm trying to show you guys as much as I can without showing too much. But anyway, look. This is the screenshot that I took during that time. This is the dashboard of UProfitZero, right? So, as you guys can see, I qualify for a payout. You guys can see that. No rules have been broken. Look at that. No rules have been broken. I don't know if y'all can see any of this, but just look at it all. Look. No rules have been broken. No nothing, right? UProfit account, right? I qualify for a payout. Cool? Now watch this. I'm going to go back, and then we're going to go even further. You can see that I paid for the account. What else? All right, so that's the other account. Okay. All right, here we go. So, as you guys can see, what does that say? November 25th. That's when I requested a payout. Right? You can see the balance. You can see the amount, and it's through Rise, right? I'm going to tell you guys what this company did. I'm going to tell you what they did. I'm going to show you what they put me through. And this is not just one account. I have multiple accounts with these guys. This is just one account. And as you can see, I requested a payout right here. Right? So watch this. Instead of these guys paying your boy out and doing the right thing, these guys decide to do this. So they hit me with the email. And I'm going to show you guys even further proof of just everything, you know. What else? I'm trying to see. I know I'm missing something here. All right, so let's jump into the email, right? So as soon as your boy requests a payout, they hit me with this. They hit me with the compliance. As soon as I request a payout, say, hey, I need my money, right? I earn that money, right? They hit me with this bullshit. Like, this is so unjust, so fucking unfair. You know what I'm saying? Look at it. It says utilizing high frequency trading tactics, right? Like, and then they show some bullshit ass trades. And by the way, guys, look at this. They showing 10-second trades. I don't even trade like this. I don't close trades and open trades in 9 and 10 seconds. I don't trade that way. And I even tried to fight this case, and I had video proof. I still do have all video proof. I have footage of me trading live with these guys in this prop firm. And, you know, everything. Because I trade like that. I document all my trades. Good thing I do, right? So, in this case, I documented my trades. And I have trades to even show them, like, hey, I don't know where you guys got these trades from. These are not my trades. Right? So me fighting these guys and everything like that, they didn't want to hear none of that. And they knew I was right. So if you guys just take a second to read the email, you can see what I'm talking about and what I'm going against, right? And like I told you before, I have proof and videos that that's not my trades. I don't open trades and close them in 10 seconds. I don't scout, right? Especially high frequency trading, right? I couldn't use an algorithm, couldn't use automation. It was just purely manual trading, right? So instead of them wanting to pay me out and doing the right thing, they came up with some bullshit and did this. So, like I said before, you know, I sent them videos like, hey, no, this is not my trades. You know, I don't trade like that. Here's my trades that I traded live. I live stream my trades. And instead of them trying to hear me out and doing the right thing, as you can see at the bottom right here, unfortunately, they had to close my account. Now, I'm going to tell you guys something. It's nowhere on their website where they say, once you violate one of our rules, we completely terminate the account. We completely close the account. It's nothing on their website that indicates that. You know what I'm saying? So, for them to actually just, you know, just like take the account away from me, and I was in profit. The account was over $1,200 in profit, and they just terminated my account. Completely unfair, not just at all, right? And consider I didn't really break any rules. Like, they made up this shit. And I'm, like I said, I have documentation of it. I've showed them documentation of it. And once I did that, they didn't want to hear that. They knew I was right. So that's what they did. They literally rushed, like, fast as shit, closed that damn account. They closed that shit quick as hell. And you know that was wrong. They know I was up. They know I made profit. They know I requested a payout. They knew I had money coming towards me. So they had to come up with some bullshit ass excuse last minute not to pay me out. Right? And then the thing for me is this. Even if you hit me with this excuse right here, saying, hey, you know, you know, you got to trade in an additional 5 days to request a payout. If you would have told me that, I would have did it. Why? Because it's easy work, right? But for them to not give me that opportunity and then just terminate the account, that shows me a lot about the company, UProfit, right? And I'm exposing the hell out of them, right? Because I know I'm not the only one, right? Now watch this. As of today, January 9th, January 9th, guys, I'm sitting with my wife last night watching the NBA game last night, and about 7 o'clock p.m., I get an email. I get a random-ass email. And like I told you guys before, this right here happened in November. This happened last year in November. I'm just not getting an email. Like, they closed my account down. I didn't get a refund or nothing. Like, they just took everything and just ran off with my shit, right? I made money. They didn't give it to me, right? They just ran off. Closed the account. Boom. They don't hear nothing from these guys. all of a sudden, last night, we get an email talking about this. Hi, we hope this message finds you well. We are informing you that your live account has been selected to be reset as a part of our commitment to maintaining a fair and supportive trade environment. Fuck out of here. Don't get me wrong, I'm grateful. I'm grateful. I'm very grateful, that they even restored my account because, like I said, they knew that was bullshit. They knew that was not right. They knew that it was just complete bullshit. And they know it was, because why would they come now and make it right? If you knew you was right in the right, you wouldn't come back and correct it and make it right. So I say that I am grateful that they did give me my account back. But then again, I'm making this video so you guys can learn from this. They gave me my account back, but I'm going to show you guys something. You got to stand on business, man. You got to stand on business, guys. All right, so this is the UProfit account here. I'm going to actually log into the UProfit account with you guys live right here. But what I want to say to you guys is this, man. Don't let nobody finesse you. Don't let nobody play you. And in this case, I'm not going to let these motherfuckers play with me. Like, I'm grateful they gave my account back, but no. So, they gave my account back, as you guys can see, right? But my next step now is actually this. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, my next battle is actually, my next battle is actually getting this balance back to where it's supposed to be, right? Because, like I told you guys before, and you guys seen it, I can show you the screenshot again. I made my money. I traded for these guys. I made my money. I requested a payout. I need that money, all right? So I'm grateful that you reset my account, but that's not it. You got to do one more step. You gotta make it right. If you don't make it right, you got to make it right, all right? And you have to reset my balance back to where it was. Because if I was in the wrong, then yeah, you have every right to reset the account and make me trade over again. But in this case, you motherfuckers, hey, I need that balance to go back to where it was. I'll trade and I'll make that money, but I need my balance to go back to the balance that it was before y'all closed my account. All right? So I'm just putting that out there because you can see they gave my account back. I'm happy. I'm grateful. I'm going to run this shit up. I promise you. And then we're going to do it live too. We're going to do it on the live streams. I'm going to run this motherfucking account up. You see that balance, right? Watch. And I'm going to keep you guys updated as well when they update the account balance back to the original balance of if I had it before the, payout request. And we're going to run that motherfucker up. They don't regret giving me that account back. Because I'm telling you, they knew that was wrong. It's called UProfitZero. I don't even recommend trading with these guys. Only reason I'm probably trading with them because they gave me the account back and I'm going to trade that account. But other than that, I do not recommend this prop firm because of the things they've done. And like I said, I know I wasn't the only one. It's like hundreds of thousands of people that have been affected during November time, And like I said, that was a very sentimental, sensitive time for a lot of people. Christmas time and Thanksgiving time, all that stuff. Like, come on, man. But I want to put that out there, just so you guys can learn from it. All right, so any questions? So yeah, you can see right here, no, payout request, no nothing, bro. Like they just literally just took your boy account and was just like, you can even see the certificate, Look at this. I passed this back on the 11th, right? I passed this back on the 11th. So it's like you restored everything else, but you don't restore my balance. Like, come on, man. I don't get y'all, man. I really don't get y'all, bro. I really don't get y'all. But it's all good. As you guys can see, I passed this, November 11th, 14th, I'm sorry. Like I say, man, it's easy work. You trade. Like, this is what we do. We make money in the markets, man. So that's not the question. It's just these companies, you don't know who to trust and who really to get down with. So you got to be careful. So as you guys can see, complete transparency. Give me 1 second. All right. But yeah, man, I mean, like I say, man, just full transparency, man, and just like I say, for multiple reasons, man, just to kind of save some of you guys from troubles and whatnot, but then also just a learning lesson. Lindsay, girl, let me talk to you, Lindsay. Lindsay, I would love to talk to you, my lady. Lindsay Duff, man, you need to have a talk. Nice cordial conversation, you know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy. I'll just love to talk to you, and feel free to reach out to you, boy. We can come talk, But yeah, man, on to the next. Man, guys, you guys just don't know, man. There's been a lot going on, far as just in general, man. So like, what was it? Here you go. All right, so okay, here we go. All right, so check this out. Where is it? Okay. So, yet again, another. So, switching gears. The last company we just talked about was called UProfitZero, a futures prop firm. Cool? Now, we're talking about another prop firm that I was a part of last year. Same thing. This was a little bit before that time, November. So this happened around September time. So this prop firm that I'm talking about right here, this happened a little bit before the UProfitZero situation. So after this situation happened, I'm going to talk about, I was like, man, I'm going to go ahead and keep it moving. And then I went to UProfitZero. But as you guys can see behind your boy, what we're talking about now is fast track. Fast track trading. Some of you guys probably heard of it. Some of you probably haven't. I'm here to tell you guys that I was actually one of the guys that was actually affected by their rug pull or company shutdown or whatever you guys want to call it. So I just want to kind of share with you guys full transparency once again. I had lots of money with these guys, and I had actually documented everything because I knew that they was shutting down that same day. So I just decided to, screenshot, screen video, and document everything I can before they actually shut things down. So that's why I want to go with you guys now and show you guys what really happened. Cool? So as you guys can see, this is from October trades with Fast Track. As you guys can see, I only took 4 losing trading days out of the whole entire trading month of October. Right? Fast Track trading. This is the dashboard, right? Keep that in mind. Now, let's actually go to September, October, November. All right, so this is September. So I'm just trying to keep it. So September, y'all see it. So September wasn't as great. Not too many trading days, right? Less trading days. Once again, still Fast Track. I'm just showing y'all the overall journey with these guys and what happened, right? I want y'all to keep all this in mind, in consideration. Matter of fact, let me do something real quick. I'm tired of having to actually do that. All right. So, if I go back, that's October. Nope. All right, so you guys can actually see that, you know, the funds was paid. You know, I paid for four $50,000 accounts. In this case, they was called Daytona accounts. I paid for them. That's not the case. But yeah, let me just continue to show. So that's September, October, and here is the active trades. So right here is, like I say, everything I'm showing you is their actual dashboard that they had. So this is my account. So as you guys can see, I have 4 active accounts with Fast Track Trading. You know, 4 active accounts. Right? Y'all see this? 4 active accounts. Now, this is the notice that they gave us, and we have still yet to receive a fucking refund from these guys. I'm praying that they do, but I mean, all hopes are very fucking slim now. I hope they, you know, make it right by everybody, but they have yet to do that. They just, like, complete pool worked everybody as far as their futures prop firm account. And like I said, you know, I have 4 different active accounts with these guys, and November was actually the last month. So that last day you guys are looking at right here, these were the last trading days, the last month of trading with these guys. And it's funny because of this. You ready? I'm showing you this for a reason. I'm being very transparent. I was on my way to requesting a payout of about $2,500 from these guys. And then they just shut down. So, what is this? This is the consistency tracker, right? You can kind of see the profits, right? So, if you can see the balance, right? You see the balance down there, 5,200, 51, 51, 51, 51, right? So, you can see that there's profits in the accounts, right? So, this is actually... yeah, leading up to the actual time that it happened, right? So right here is the account summary. It shows you the account balance, the starting capital, and it shows you what your account balance is. You see, I'm up over $2,760, and then that's another account number 2. You can see the accounts up here. It's changing. So I have 4 different accounts. So that's account number 1, right? Account number 2. 3, and 4. So I had 4 different accounts that was already in profit, ready for a payout. You know what I'm saying? So, once again, man, just being affected by these companies and these prop firms is no joke. You know what I'm saying? So, it's not for the weak, man. It's not for the weak. But like I say, I'm exposing these companies, not just for myself, but just for you guys to look out for. And I'm saying this to say that if anything does like this happen in the future with these companies, you know, we got to stand on business with these people, man. We can't just let them shut our accounts down and just, like, you know, we got to come at these motherfuckers, man. Excuse my French, but, you know, I took a big hit, you know, with these 2 companies, especially back-to-back like that, you know. But, like I said, I still, for some reason, I don't know why, I still got hopes that these motherfuckers going to refund us, but they have yet to refund us. It's funny because they sent us emails. Let me actually show you guys this. This is funny as hell. It is funny, but it's not funny. You know what I'm saying? So, they sent us a actual email a few times, actually. I don't know if y'all can see that. Talking about some, we pleased to report that the FTT team will be continuing refunds starting Monday, December 9th, as is aiming to process batches every business day thereafter. I have yet to receive a refund. I have yet to see anybody receive a refund with this fast track trading shit. So, like I said, I'm just putting this out there. I know this is a little late and old, but it to me it's not old. This shit is still, you know, crazy to me. It's wild, man. So, yeah, man, that's my little spiel for today. I just want to kind of get on here and just shed light on, man. Just be transparent, let y'all know what's going on. And like I said, just be transparent, you know, because a lot of people come on the live streams and trade and Show all their profits. Don't show no losses. Don't show no L's. Like, hell no. Like, no. Like, you can, hey, we rich. We wealthy. All that shit. But on that journey, you know, you're going to take some L's. Even when you at that point, you still going to take some L's. And people still taking L's to this day. It's just that, you know, people are not as transparent enough to share with the people that's following them and supporting them. Because, for whatever fucking reason, I don't know. But I don't mind it, man. Just being transparent with you guys. And that's pretty much it. But I will, you know, let's go ahead and switch it up a little bit. Apex, guys. Apex has been, they haven't did me wrong. I can't lie, they haven't. I have over, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, so I have actually, what the hell? Alright, well. So yeah, I have over 12 accounts with them. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Apex. They operate a little different than everybody else, but as you guys can see, I got over 12 funded accounts with them. Meaning that, like, they call them Apex accounts, of course, but then when you get funded, and they are live accounts, they call them PA, performance accounts. So I have 12 performance accounts, and I'm showing you guys this because I didn't actually manually trade to pass these accounts with Apex. This was done with the automation, the bots and EAs and whatnot. So I used those to pass my prop firm challenges. With UProfitZero, I couldn't use it. Fast Track, I couldn't use it as well because they had Rhythmic. And they had their own Quantower platform, so I couldn't use them. So I manually traded those guys. But with Apex, I was able to automate the whole entire process. You know what I'm saying? And I'm going to show you guys video proof of the software, of the EA and the bot, actually passing these challenges live. So let me go ahead and jump into that real quick. And I'm going to leave that up there so you guys can see that. While I load this up. Yeah, I tried to pull this up yesterday, but I had a little bit of troubles. But like I said, I don't forget, man. I don't forget, man. Let me see. All right. Like I said, I like to just be completely transparent as much as possible. And I'm going to show you guys these live trades. We passing these bad boys live. No, it's not it. Raindrop. Drop top. It's funny because I still have all the videos of the fast track trading in here and everything. That's crazy. Yep, here it is. Man, I'm telling you, man, I was just trying to figure out shit, man. Like, it's crazy. Like I said, I documented everything. Like, this is me navigating through the back office, the dashboard. Because, like I said, I want to document everything before they actually shut things down and close it all down. Ah, hell no. I'm documenting this shit. So it took a while for the dashboard to load up, as you guys can see. So I'm loading up my accounts. But it took them a while to load. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, I document everything. I wasn't playing no games. And like I say, man, this company owed me over $3 grand, man. Probably $4 grand if you put it at that. Crazy, man. And I, you know, I ain't gonna lie to you guys. Like I said, I always try to be transparent with y'all. I was trading with this company since, I forgot. It was last year. But I really fell in love with the company and their concept. And it felt like a family because it didn't start off like that. You know, like we was getting paid out. People was getting paid out. They paid people out live. You know what I'm saying? Like people was getting paid out live. You know, like we on Discord, you know, the CEO paying people out live, payouts, you feel me? And it was going on for a while, you know, and it was just like, it was a great experience as a prop firm. And for this to happen, you know, I was really hurt, you know, because, you know, I was all in with this account, this prop firm, as you guys can see. So for them to do that, I was just like, this is crazy, you know. But yet again, I just want to show y'all that I do have the video so y'all can see that real life footage of it. And this is the actual Discord as well. Sorry, this is the actual Discord. They started shutting it down. So they shut the Discord down, and you can see the Discord. Look at the little Simpsons emoji. That's how they disappear. Look, they just. But yeah, this is the live Discord of the company or whatever. And it was like fully active where you can chat, whatnot. And they, as you can see real time, they just closed the Discord down. Like real time. You can see all the active users, all that shit. But yeah, man, I'm still butthurt about that whole process, man. It's crazy. But nevertheless, like I said, you know. Let me actually find the videos for you guys real quick. Alright, hold on. I don't know if it's on this account or this account. Bad and bougie. Bad and bougie. Yeah, man, that's one thing about me. I try to document everything, you know. All right, here we go. All right. Oh, snap, I thought I had more videos than this. Okay, here we go. Hey, here we go. I don't know why this is in there. Why this is in there. All right, so there's so many videos, so I'll just show you guys this bad boy right here so we can start off. So you can see the balance on the right side right here. The balance, $50,000 account is at 5290-ish now up here, 5290-ish. You only need a profit goal of $3 grand. So just the automation on this side right here. I mean, you can see it. High frequency trading, we're trading on gold. Wait, it's not playing. Oh yeah, it is playing. So yeah, I mean, you can just see it. I'll step out the way, you guys can see this really doing this thing real time. And like I say, you know, this is real life footage of you know, of the automation passing prop firm accounts and doing this thing. You know, like I said, it's not rocket science. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, the market looked like it went to like a halt, like it paused for a little bit, but you can see that we are still in an active position. And you can see right there, it says Apex. Like right here, Apex account. Apex. I want to speed it up, but I don't want you guys to miss just seeing this all organically happen, you know? So that's, of course, me inside the VPS and, you know, just navigating and messing around. You don't have to do those things, but I was just, at that point in time, actually trying to catch this and document this. So that was the only reason why I was clicking around and doing what I was doing. But other than that, it's nothing better than real life proof, right? It's nothing better than real life footage of somebody actually passing a challenge. And there you go, right there. I think I manually closed that one because I didn't want to, you know, I didn't want it to sit around any longer. But you guys can see we actually made and passed the challenge. I got some more for y'all. Hold on. We ain't done cooking up. Hold on. Let's see what else is next. Let's see. Hold on. All right. So this is the smart money concept bot, I think. Yep. All right. Smart concept. Yeah, as you guys can see, man, we got videos on videos. It's crazy. All right, let me pull up the rest for you guys real quick. Raindrop, drop top, cooking your in a hot box. Shit, that. All right, here we go. So this is another account. So I want to pause this real quick so I can just kind of explain what's going on. Cool. So this is automation once again, like EA bot, right? This is what's going on. You can see down here, this is an Apex account, which is about to be funded, right? So those 12 accounts I showed you guys, I'm just showing you the videos of how I got there, right? A lot of people don't have proof and footage to show you. I'm just showing you and going back to show you how I got funded. Not manually trading, purely automation, right? So this here is what we talked about yesterday, the 15-minute range strategy. You can see the top of the box, you can see the bottom, right? And we wait for the market to actually break out. In this case, you can see the market clearly broke out to the downside. And yes, we caught that trade. The automation caught that trade. So I was able to catch this and document it live, as you guys can see. So I'm going to shut up and let you guys see this.
Order filled. Order filled.
I mean, like, what? Come on, man. Stop playing with your boy, bro. I ain't done yet. I ain't done yet. Hold on. I ain't done. Hold on. Bro, like, I got trades on trades documented, bro. So, hold on. Here go another one. So, this one right here is, I think this is a little bit before we didn't pass the challenge, but we would still, look like we were still actively building the balance. But once again, automation, baby.
Order filled.
All right, we're going to keep this thing going. So that was another one. All right, let's see what we got next. So this was the challenge we passed. Here's another one. All right, so we'll play this guy. This is the range breakout. Like I said, this is one of my favorite ones. Why? Because it's more consistent. Far as like I can count on this every single day most times just to make me some money for today, you know. So like I say, you know, straight killer, you know. I mean, I don't know if y'all want me to break that down, but you can see, look, top of the box, top of the range. It breaks above the range. You make money that way. And you can also wait for the market to come back down. So when it breaks out, it'll return sometimes. And if it returns, you can see these lines are ready to take second and third entries as well. That's what the automation is programmed to do. It's programmed to take second and third entries as well, instead of just this one entry up here. So we got that first entry, made money. Most times that's good enough, but you know, it's always good to, you know, add more to your balance if you follow me. So I'm gonna keep this thing going. I'm gonna show you guys just proof after proof after proof, man. Just keep it going. Here's another day, same concept, 15-minute range, broke to the downside instead. Nice little breakout. We make money. And this is on the NQ, so we was doing it on the ES and the NQ as well. So I'm actually showing you guys the balance and all that stuff right here. So I'm closing the trades out. You see the 2 green? I'm about to close it out. So I close one.
Order filled.
Yep. And this is the ES. See ES? Which is the S&P 500. But in future terms, ES, right? So y'all see that trade. We up what? 1,600 on this trade. It's crazy, right? It don't take much, as you guys can see. Look at that. I mean, I just try to get people to understand the power of trading, for one, but then 2, adding automation to trading to the fire is just like, it's like crazy, you know? It's like, it's a no-brainer, honestly. And I think it's just all fits into my motto.
Order filled.
Working smart, not hard. And I'm not just telling you something. I'm actually showing you guys proof. Because I operate that way. I don't want somebody to just tell me something. I want you to actually show me what you're talking about, right? So I want you to actually show me proof. Show me everything, right? And that's what I'm doing here. I don't want you to just talk about it. Show me real shit, right? Show me the documentation, you know? So, once again, once you see that blue box, you know it's fucking going down, right? Same strategy, guys. It doesn't change. If it works and it makes you a lot of money, don't change it. And that's what we've been doing for 14 years, you know what I'm saying? So, I don't know why that trade went so high. It was 21 seconds, actually. So, that was a very quick trade. But same thing, guys. Look, top of the range. It broke out to the top of the range. Boom. We in the trade. I could have been asleep. I could have been at the gym. I could have been doing anything. Right? We up. You can see the accounts down here. So, for all the naysayers and whatever out there, I'm not against you. I understand. Because you have to show people. You have to show people. I'm like that too. You have to show me. I don't believe it until you show me. I'm cool with that, you know? So I'm showing you here live. Not me manually trading. Yeah, I'm a professional analyst. I can trade my ass off. But no, like, if you are not me and you don't have the time to get to that level, that's cool. Get smart. Use AI. Use software. Use EAs and bots. Because they do work. You got to find the right one. And this is it. Right? We've been doing it for so long. Look. 15-minute range. We made money. I mean, I got video proof after video proof, guys. Here's another day. Y'all can tell me to stop, by the way. So, yet again, different trade, different day. Same shit. We broke out. See that? We broke out of the range. Took off. Now we about to flip to another chart. I think we have 4 of them loaded. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 different ones loaded. I'm going to go back for you guys, actually. So, you can see the account once again. This is with Apex. Look how much we up. We are up in a major way. Right? Blue box, 15-minute range. Boom. So, look, it looked like we are actually into... Let me pause this real quick. All right, hold on. I want to go back. So, yeah, it looked like we was executing this on 4 different charts. So, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 4 different windows executing the same strategy that already works. Automation, baby. If you know it works, right? I'm trying to put you guys on game and how we do it, right? Once you know something works, you know, it's not a such thing as greed in this case, because if you know something works and you have one account or one chart and it's working with that, you want to begin to duplicate. I'm assuming you will want to start duplicating. You know, that's just my thought process. If this thing is working one time, I want to create 10 to 20 or 100 of these things to all do the same thing. All right, so yeah, yet again, another $1,600 on the NQ, and this guy right here is the so I'm flipping back and forth from my trading view to the automation once again. So that's why I started off like that. But once again, Apex accounts, Apex, 15-minute range again. Wait for that bad boy to break out. Boom, broke out. We made money, right? And I'm logging into other, sectors and whatnot. So this is actually the old VPS system that we had. We do no longer have to do this no more. As far as switching to different VPS systems no more, it's all in the tabs of the window browser. But anyway, you can see a different account, different Apex account, profitable trade. I mean, like I said, if I, sound redundant, please, spam that in the chat. I'm cool with that. But I just want to make sure that I'm drilling home my point and really getting you guys to understand the power of this. It don't matter what you guys do for a living. If you come across this live right now and you're in a situation to where you need some cash or you need to make some money or need an extra stream, this is where it's at. I've helped people that don't know nothing or a lick about trading or candlestick, but they had the drive and the willing to be coachable to learn. You can automate and start making money and then learn as you go, right? Just don't be closed-minded, What I was told back in high school is this. But I want to keep this going. I think this is another one, actually. Probably updated trade. Yeah, I think it is. But I was taught to always be what they call open to growth. You know what I'm saying? And, I mean, I didn't even have to explain that. It's just what is, you heard it. Just be open to growth. You know what I'm saying? And in a lot of different ways in your life. Just be open to growth, man. That's the biggest thing I can say and the biggest advice I can give you. If you come across this live and you trying to figure out, what the hell you talking about? What is a chart? What is a candlestick? Right? Take the time to learn what we're talking about. Because you got to understand that I wouldn't be here, wasting my time just to be entertaining somebody on fucking YouTube and live and whatnot. I'm here passing on information that I've had that, have been changing my life and thousands of lives. And we put it here on YouTube and just all over social media so you guys can see that too, So, once again, I can keep going. I have a whole gallery of, just footage, proof. Why? Because I'm going to tell you guys something. If you guys don't know who I am, I'm Mike. Or you can just call me Mr. 120. But I come from the west side of Chicago, right? And, what changed my life was this, trading. Like I said before, 2010, 2011, I'm, in high school, Christ the King, shout out to Christ the King. We interned different corporations, which was amazing. Like, man, I still to this day, I'm just amazed at the concept of the work study program. But anyway, every Wednesday, that particular year, I was placed at what they call the CME group, Chicago Mercantile Exchange. And here in Chicago downtown, and I got educated. I got woken up. I whatever you want to call it, that happened to me, and here I am years later, still pushing forward and sharing this with people and impacting lives with this, and really showing people how it's really done, and doing it a different way than people that I saw that were just sitting on knowledge and advice and just a lot of good information and gems that they didn't want to share, and which is what drove me to be open and public and putting them things on social media and just being transparent and real and showing people how to really do it, and showing people what really works and what don't. So that's why I am the way I am as far as being just transparent. And that brings me back to my point. I was from the west side of Chicago to where we, everybody wasn't struggling, middle class family. But for me to go work every Wednesday and intern and be rubbing elbows with multi-millionaires. It was a mind fuck because I'm going back to not being so poor, but like middle class living, and then I'm back here, and I'm like, something ain't adding up. You telling me that my family, my people, they working to make 40, 50,000, what are they making a year? And these people making 40, 50,000 at a click of a button in one day, in seconds, all because they have a knowledge and know about how to trade, how to buy and sell orange juice, sugar, corn. I mean, like, it really woke me up, So I say that to say that just really be open to growth, man. Like, you just never know, And there's no industry, it's no industry like what we do over here. As far as trading, foreign exchange, futures, it don't matter what you trade. If you're in this realm, it's no industry like it. As far as being able to make and accumulate money the way we do it, it's no industry like that. I mean, e-commerce it's crazy, But I'm done ranting, man. Let's keep this thing going. Once again, I'm just showing you guys proof of us passing challenges. The 12 accounts that I just showed you guys, and I'll show you guys just joining. 12 accounts, total of 600,000 funded by this strategy right here. Automation. Wait for the breakout. Boom, we get action. So right now it hasn't activated right now. So this is like a 4-minute video. Probably gonna speed it up. But once again, we are like 10 videos in. I'm just showing you guys like live. I know y'all see this, so it's just like no editing.
Order submitted.
So I know people talk about their automation. You know what I'm saying? And I'm showing you guys the account. Look, that's Top Step, I think. Yep, Top Step. So I'm showing you guys the different accounts you can use. Top Step, Apex, any account, any futures prop firm account, right? Live account, whatever account, it doesn't matter, right? But just showing you guys that and showing you that the automation, the EA, the bot, whatever you guys call it, it works, right? It makes money, right? It's not one of them other ones that y'all been buying and whatever you've been doing. I'm not judging, but it's not that. It's not to where like what you've experienced in the past, to where you just trying it out and it ain't do nothing. Like, no, this thing, I'm showing you, And I don't have no problem doing that because, like I said, if it didn't work, I mean, wouldn't fucking be doing this. But, full transparency. If it works, why not share it with the people? So I'm always willing to share what works and what can make you money. If you just take the time to learn and be open to growth, like I said before. And like I said before, I'm not promising nobody's gonna become a millionaire overnight or none of that stuff. You can lose money. People have lost money, and I'll tell you various reasons why people have lost money. But we'll get into that another time. But we're gonna let this trade play out. And you can see we are activating to that trade, right? And then another thing too, like I said, these lines right here. So 1, 2, and 3. These lines right here. I'm gonna break this down to y'all. You know why? This software is so killer because, like I said, it's very consistent. Look, I mean, we're making money already. Look at this. But as it's making us money, right? I want to break down. Let's just say the market came from where it's at right here, right? And we came and retraced back up into these blue lines, right? So line 1, 2, and 3. Let's say we retrace back into these levels. Those lines are not random. Those are actually the Fibonacci parameters, as far as the 38.20%, the 50%, the 61.80%. You can actually customize these parameters to whatever Fib extension or parameters you want. But we already have these programmed and set to take second and third entries all for you if the market retraces back into the range. Killer. So you can see I'm about to close this actually. Yeah, so I actually closed it. You don't actually have to close it manually. But like I said, me personally, I'm doing this as a documentation purposes and, just trying to secure the profits and whatnot to pass these challenges and whatnot. So I actually closed that. I don't know if y'all saw that, but I actually closed that position. What did I? Video's still going, so let's see. But once again, guys, you can get your hands on this software. Just click the link in the it should be in the comment section, pinned to the comment section. And like I say, man, get your hands on this while you can. Here's yet another live trade. I mean, like I said, I keep this thing going all day, man. It's whatever. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, a live trade again. You can see a crazy breakout. And we're in that live trade. I mean, you can see it. You can see the fluctuation happening right here. This is a Top Step account, by the way. Top Step account. So, like I said, I'm just trying to answer any question you probably are answering. Like, man, can I trade this with a whatever account? Yes, any account you can use it with. Boom. Y'all can see I'm always manually trading as well. This is what I do, man. As far as what I love to do. But yeah, that's pretty much everything. Let me see what else I have in here. Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. So that's all of that I just showed you guys and shared with y'all. This is the result. I dedicated all last year, like I said, to just Apex. Like I did do other accounts, as you guys can see, right? But the whole thing was Apex. How far can I get with Apex, right? And as you guys can see, 12 different accounts. All because of the automation that I just showed you. I didn't do no manual placing a trade. You see me manually closing some trades, but I didn't get into not one of those trades. Automation did everything for me. So I should have answered all your questions. I should have showed you all the proof you need. Go back, rewind it, whatever you got to do. You know what I'm saying? But that automation I just showed you got your boy 12 accounts funded. And I'll tell you guys another thing too. I want to be completely transparent once again. I mean, I have to be, man, because a guy coming from the foreign exchange side of this industry, it's really no difference as far as like the nature of the trading business. But when it comes to like the instruments and the assets and the back end of it, it's a little different. But what I want to say is that that's not the only thing that's different with the foreign exchange versus future side. The future side is different with the prop firm side as well because in this case, well, just all of them. When you purchase a prop firm account with Forex on the foreign exchange side, most times you pay a lump sum and that's just a lump sum, right? That's it. Now, even when you get funded with the foreign exchange side, it's literally no aftermath after that. You get your live account, right? But when it comes to the future side and whatnot, once you pass the prop firm account, you get your live funded account. Before you even get the live funded account, in this case the PA, the performance account, you have to pay an additional activation fee. Now that's completely different. I don't know if they do it now, but when I was trading foreign exchange and their prop firms and FTMO and all that, they didn't have an activation fee. Once you paid that lump sum up front, that was all. That was it. With the future side, most prop firms, they have an activation fee. So I want you guys that don't know, I know most of you guys do, but I want you guys to keep that in mind when you're doing this and thinking about, embarking on this journey, because you need to know that, right? So when you calculating the profits and all that stuff, you have to input your expenses as well, right? So I say that to say that, hey, yeah, I got funded 12 accounts and I got these on discount because Apex always doing a deal. That's another great thing about the prop firm side on the future side. I'm not paying $500 for a $50,000 account. I'm paying like $30, right? Crazy, right? So you wait for the sale, boom, 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 right? Getting these accounts for that much, you do 33, like $40 times 12. You do the math on that, right? And then on top of that, once I pass the accounts, like I just showed you, I have to go ahead and activate the account to go ahead and proceed with the PA account to trade that. So most times, and I have to put this out there, most times the PA account in Apex case, and I know Top Step never changed their activation fee. I think it's $125 or $150. And please correct me in the chat if I'm wrong, but I think it's $150, and there's no if and or buts about it. You have to pay that. You have to. You don't have to pay it right away, but they do give you. I love that they give you grace period. You don't have to pay it right away. So that if you don't have the funds to pay it, they do allow you to pay the monthly of the funded account until you actually activate the account. So it's in their terms and conditions as well. I know that's a little confusing. But getting back to what I was saying, in this case, most of these accounts that you see here that I activated and had to pay an additional fee for, they was all like $125 additional. Now, I did try to catch, the lifetime deal when they did it for 85, but I didn't have no luck with that. But even 85 times 12 is a lot. But 125 times 12, you're paying that an additional to activate these accounts. So I just want to put that out there. Definitely wanted to spend time to explain that because that's a difference when it comes to foreign exchange and futures. It's different, So a lot of people are not going to talk about that. They're not going to put that stuff out there. But Top Step, Apex, Take Profit, My Funded Futures, all of these guys have an activation fee. Now, they will, Apex Top Step I haven't seen waive theirs ever or discount it. Apex have dropped theirs to 85. Take Profit, Trader, I think they are a little more lenient as far as like you can count on them to waive their fee before you count on anybody else. My Funded Futures, I don't know too much, but like I said, all of them have it. But some of them are a little more lenient with it. They'll discount it sometime. They'll waive it sometime, having different little promos and whatnot. But, definitely something to consider, right? And then with UProfit Trader, man, it's crazy, bro. Going back into these suckers, man. UProfit Trader, their fee is $150. So it's crazy because going back to what we just started this live on talking about, I signed up, passed the account. You can see that right here, November 14th. Got my live account because I had to pay the $150, additional $150. So I paid the additional $150. Got my live account. I ran the numbers up, requested and hit the button for the payout. They hit your boy with an email like, made up some bullshit last minute. And then on top of that, they closed the account down so I couldn't fight it back. And they knew that was wrong, right? So it's just like, it's crazy, So, and then on top of that, like what I was trying to get to is that they shut all of that down. They didn't give me my money. They didn't give me a refund. So the $150 I paid and the entry fee I paid, I didn't get none of that money back. So just putting it out there so you guys can just map everything out when you're thinking about embarking on this trading journey, which is well fucking worth it. Hear me. Like I told you, there's no time freedom and financial freedom that you're going to probably gain working at a 9 to 5. You could trade wherever how you do it. It's very flexible. And like I just showed you the automation. If you a person that says you don't have time and all that, and you really think you don't have time, that's cool. Get the automation. Get the automation and watch you'll start to see yourself with more time on your hands. Because it's going to free up more time. Because if it's really a money thing, let it work for you and give it time. And you're going to start to see that you don't have to work as hard. You're going to have to start dialing back a little bit. Relax a little bit. Start to enjoy your life a little bit, all right? So, yeah. And I can actually show you guys this. Let me see. Where is it at? Oh, here we go. Yep. So, it shows that you pay for the actual activation of the PA account. So you can see right here, you know, I paid for that one too. So like I said, I just want you guys to be aware of that. Yep, there we go, 150. So I just want you guys to be aware of all this stuff. You know, most prop firms on the future side, you will have an activation fee when you pass their account. So if you don't, then I mean, like I say, man, just run with that motherfucker. Run quick as hell. But yeah, man, I just want to shed light on those things, man, with you guys, and I hope that you guys really take that into consideration. And like I say, man, the automation side of things is definitely where it's at, and it's definitely gonna get even bigger and better. So you might as well jump on the train while you can. And you know, it only makes sense to actually have your money machine working for you. In my case, it don't matter if you work in the business of trading, as far as the industry. It don't matter what you do for a living. It's a no-brainer to want to make money, to have the time freedom, to whatever it is. Put that towards that. If it works, use it. Right. So I just showed you all the proof. I definitely show you my bank account if I could. But that's really it, man. We'll be back live next week. So most of you guys will be getting an alert from me. So if you don't receive an alert or email or anything like that, put it on your calendar. You can go on my YouTube and hit the little bell. So anytime we do go live, you automatically receive an alert. But anyway, however you do it, just make sure you right here with us next week. We will be live. I will put it out there. We will be going live on, you know, a few other channels as well. So we will be featured and, you know, partnering up with, you know, some partners and whatnot. So either way, we're going live. You're going to see your boy, and we're going to be answering questions live as far as, you know, the automation. Answering questions live as far as like upcoming in-person coaching, classes, trading, anything, right? And on top of that, I want to end live on this. I don't know if I'm ready to show y'all this, man. I don't know, man. Hold on, man. I don't know if I'm ready to show y'all this. This is crazy, bro. Hold on, man. Hold on, bro. Hold on, bro. I'll put that back right there. Alright, so, alright, let me do something for a second. Give me 1 second. Let me actually load this up. I don't even know if I want to let the cat out the bag yet, but, you know, I'm a man of my word, you know. Y'all ran up those likes for me, so, you know, it's only right. I asked for 10 likes on the live today, and y'all got me there, so I appreciate that. You know, it's not much to ask, so y'all got me my 10 likes for the live. You know, like I said, you know, I know it's slow motion, so 10 likes is not bad. I like that. So, how do I want to do this? All right. Okay. Let's see. So, I'm gonna put it like this. We're gonna go ahead and just reveal it. Y'all ready? Matter of fact, we're gonna do it like that. Ooh, look at that shit. This shit corny, motherfucker. Bro. That man. I don't even think it's a difference if I put it on the full screen like that, but let me see something. It's a little bit of difference, but so guys, look. Alright. like I said, you know, I gotta give you a backstory, dog. You know, you ain't got nothing to do, man. Man, stop playing. You ain't got nothing to do. All right, so look. Before trading, you know, stumbled upon me. I said stumbled upon. I stumbled upon trading, whatever you want to call that. If you know me, you know me. If you don't, but before high school and then going into high school, you know, I was a big, and I'm, you know, still to this day, I'm a big tech person, big code nerd type person. That's who I am, right? So I say that to say that I was into sports, but I was also into this, like coding and website building and anything you could think of. Anything dealing with computers and coding and changing and editing, that's me, right? So years ago, before high school, I think my freshman year, I had came upon a idea that I wanted to develop into a real thing. So I took the time to actually code. Like back in the day, I had to code these websites, right? So I was back, you know, PHP coding, HTML. I'm coding the website to my liking, and I created a like a social media type website for sports, and that's just what I did, you know. So I say all that to say that that passion has never left, and besides the passion, the understanding and the power behind apps, websites, software. It's a lot of money in it if you know. If you don't, you will know. So I understood that at a very young age as a teenager, and I've always stuck with it, right? So what you guys are looking at behind me, I am proud. Hear me, I am proud, right? To, you know, represent and say that this right here we've been working on as a team. Of course, I'm the lead. We've been working on this website. And this, I have to find a different term to use because this is not just like a website, right? This is I don't even know what to call it yet, right? But without giving it all away, right? But this right here, I'm going to give you guys a little tour of what we've been working on and explain it. But this right here is one of the projects that we've been working on that's built for traders and investors to... I don't want to put it out there yet, but I want to show you guys, you know, a little sneak peek because I did promise it, and it's not done yet, but I do want to, you know, share this with you guys and let you guys know, you know, what's about to, you know, pop off. You know what I'm saying? So, give me 1 second. Hold on. So yeah, like I said, this is gonna. What I want to say is that this is gonna really benefit, you know, traders, investors, people that like to actually, you know, be involved on the social media side and whatnot. So this is really gonna allow them to actually narrow down and really hone in on their niche and their audience. And besides that, it's really gonna allow, you know, the viewers, the spectators and things of that nature to actually benefit even more, right? So I'm gonna log in. This is of course the login page, as you guys can see. So I don't even know if you guys can see everything, but all right. So this is a little sneak peek of, you know, the home page, and I'm not gonna reveal too much, but right here is gonna be some type of, you know, streaming function. And then over here, you're going to have what they call, you know, the recent trades. So it's going to be more than just recent trades. But like I said, I'm not trying to give too much away. But I do want to kind of share the vision with you guys. So let's just say, you know, you're watching me and I place a trade. You want to be able to see that trade, right? So why not put it out there visually so they can copy that trade or take the trade or whatever. Instead of just watching me and me telling you like, hey, I placed a buy at one point on the NAS. Like, no, you can actually see that trade for yourself. And if you want to take it, you can take it, right? And then down here, you will be able to actually see, you know, live streams of your favorite trader. So I'm pretty much giving it fucking away, actually. So I might as well just, you know, but streams, right? So you'll be able to discover your favorite live stream trader, investor. So if he's going live, you'll be able to actually see if they live, right? So it's all in one place, you know. So instead of you having to go on YouTube and, you know, filter out and all the other stuff of everybody else going live, it's now all in one place. All traders, all investors have their own trading streaming domain now, right? So like I said, you know, I'm not gonna reveal too much, but you can see down here, you're gonna be able to see them go live and all that shit. And then up here, you're gonna see, this right here is gonna be crazy, but it's gonna be some sort of a live streamer, but I'm not gonna let out the bag yet. But I'm trying to see what I want to show y'all, man, because this is about to be killer. It's gonna really shake up the industry, and it's gonna really benefit a lot of people in this industry. And like I say, you know, this is built with the trader in mind, built with the investor in mind. All right, so I'm just excited to actually, you know, reveal this whole thing to you guys. But other than that, I'm not gonna show too much. That's about it. I would show you guys the other stuff, but like I say, you know, I think that was enough. You know what I'm saying? But we have been working on that. I'm proud to say that, you know, I have taken those skills from being a teenager, developed my very first project, to sharpening and bettering and improving that, and to actually building not just this project, but just multiple projects that can actually benefit not just traders, investors, but just everyday people. You build an idea, make it come to a reality, and that's what it's about for me. So we doing that, and this is one of many, and I know you guys gonna really enjoy that, and it's gonna be a lot of fun, and it's gonna be amazing, you know. So I'm excited to actually finish that up and get that out to you guys as soon as possible. I don't have a deadline on this just yet, but I definitely will keep you guys in tune. And yeah, man, I'm excited. I'm excited. But yeah, if I don't see you guys tomorrow, have a what? I didn't know that. Thanks for the heads up. But yeah, man, nevertheless, y'all have a great weekend, and y'all stay motherfucking blessed. Holla.